Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Kohl's card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kohls.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kohl's website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, just click on Kohl's card at the top section in order to add your existing card. Now from this page, click on pay your bill and now you will see the add card option. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked to enter your card details. Just enter the 12-digit card number followed by your date of birth. Then enter the last 4 digits of your social security number and then click on the submit button. After proceeding forward with all of your information, your card will be added and it will be activated right away. And now you will be able to start using your Kohl's card in order to start making purchases. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate and add the Kohl's card onto your account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.